Hi, I'm going to show you how to use RiteBoost Formulas to get exactly what you want from social. So here is the end result. We're looking at a tweet of a Copyblogger blog article. So the tweet is auto hashtagged. Actually, fresh and start were two different words, and auto enhance made them one hashtag. Then there's the image that's extracted and added, so this shows up this way. And then if someone clicks on the link, that rightly goes to the article with my CTA. So mine is a video. You can set yours as an image or text. There are many ways to use that in RiteKit. So to get set up, first in RiteKit, you add your social profiles, and in CTAs, you can set up multiple CTAs for different audiences, different purposes. Then in RiteBoost, so let's look at, first of all, my Copyblogger. I built one formula, starting with create formula and RSS. I gave it the Copyblogger RSS and started that way. This one I've called Copyblogger tags because it's going to be with hashtags. So I have this one set to on, so it's going to be full automatic, going out to all of these Twitter accounts and the RiteTag Facebook page. I set which of my CTAs I'm going to use with that, with image, with hashtags, save. Then I duplicated the formula and I changed the name here to no tags, because this will be sending out to Pinterest boards, LinkedIn, personal profile, LinkedIn, company page. So I don't want hashtags because that would make the post look strange in LinkedIn and Pinterest. I do want CTA, but here I want to use a different CTA. So I'll save that. I also have this off for automatically, so I'm going to use this manually. But this way I save a ton of time without having to add those social profiles and pages to the profile picker here. So let's make one together. So I'm going to create formula pocket. Probably best to use tags so that you can target different audiences that you have with your different social profiles and pages. I haven't done that, so I'm just going to add my account, load account, and we start with pocket, and it takes my account name. I'm just going to change that to pocket, call it pocket tags, add hashtags, and then I'm going to add a few of my Twitter and Facebook profiles. Here's Facebook page I want that to go to, and I have the CTA that I want here. I save that, and I'll find that here. Then settings saved. Okay, pocket tags, the name changed. Then I'm going to duplicate the formula. Duplicated. So I've got two of them here. I'm going to edit one of them to call it Pocket No Tags, and just backspace through these accounts. And now I'm going to choose a few Pinterest accounts and LinkedIn personal profile, as well as LinkedIn company page. And I turn hashtags off here, and again I'm going to change to a different CTA. Hashtags off, no tags, and I save that. Settings saved. And so now I have these two formulas. I have both of these set to off, and that's how we recommend that you start. But some things you'll find that you want everything to go out. So in this case, with Pocket, for example, everything that I've saved to Pocket, I know that I want to share at least to Twitter. So I might turn this one on and save. And then it'll run auto enhance on everything, new things that I pocket as they come in. Every hour we check, and then they'll be going out from all of these accounts with hashtags auto tagged, with image extracted whenever possible, which is most of the time, and with the CTA on the URL in my tweet so that I get something back when I share to social. So start playing with your formulas. Remember, we suggest that in the beginning, getting started, they'll be set to off by default, and then you'll be working with them manually, as I do with my no tags pocket here. I can select everything. I can reload, select all or any posts that I want, enhance according to these rules here. You can change those, but you'll be enhancing according to these rules, and then adding to queue the queues of the social profiles you set up here. You'll be seeing more sources in RitePush for building formulas, and more options for what auto enhance does. Lots of things coming to the auto enhance options in the next couple months.